Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Sanaki, Department of Civil Engineering, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. So in the previous lectures, we understood the bearing capacity and the tests to determine the bearing capacity. So in the next lecture, that is this lecture, we will be covering the last part of soil and its properties, that is lecture number 5 and 6. So the topics with which we'll be dealing with today are methods to improve bearing capacity of soils, safe bearing capacity values. So now what are the methods to determine the bearing capacity of soil? So first one is to increase the depth of the footing, but this type of method is restricted in case where the water table is at a lower depth or a shallow depth. So next is drainage. So if the water table is at a shallow depth, we can provide a series of pipes and drain the water out, which increase the bearing capacity of soils. The other method is we can crush the stones or granular material and sand, and we can fill it into the excavated portion and ram it so that the bearing capacity increases and the hard strata becomes hard. So the final method of improving bearing capacity is we can use sand piles. So sand piles are nothing but the holes are dug into the ground and sand is filled and rammed to make it compact and hard, which increases the bearing capacity of soil. So here you can see the safe bearing capacity values in the table. These are recommended values of safe bearing capacities as per standards. So it depends upon the type of rock or soil. So first one, rocks without lamination and defects, for example granite, diorite. See the bearing capacity in kilonewton per meter square is 3300 and in kg per centimeter square is 33. So laminated rocks, for example sandstone and limestone, in sound condition it is 1650 kilonewton per meter square and 16.5 kg per centimeter square. In case of soft rock it is 450 kilonewton per meter square and 4.5 kg per centimeter square. In case of residual deposits of shattered and broken bed rock and hard shale, it is 900 kilonewton per meter square and 9 kg per centimeter square. Thank you.